Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Iti Octavia Jayabaya. Allow me to presenting our paper for International Conference on Social and Political Science. This paper is about digital tourism in Indonesia. Industrial Revolution 4.0 leads to competitiveness among every country in the global market. With its principle, the goal of this revolution is to escalate product value and beneficial for business people. Every industrial sector are affected, including tourism. Based on World Travel and Tourism Council, tourism contribute 10.4% of global GDP, which makes tourism as one of the biggest economic sector in the world. To promote its country touristical potential, digital marketing become the best strategy to use. It's also known as Marketing 4.0, which have been developed throughout these past few years. COVID-19 pandemic become a nightmare for Indonesia, especially Indonesia tourism. But the key to survive is to adapt, innovate, and collaborate. It can be implemented by using digital tourism as a strategy, and indeed is a big leap for Indonesia people that are not very familiar with technology. Tourism trend is moving slowly toward digitalization. However, this shows that tourism and creative economic sector become one of the rapidly digitizing sector. In the world, digital tourism is the best strategy to appeal foreign tourists and restore the economic condition. Literature review, the most popular tourism concept is introduced by World Tourism Organization. It includes all the free movement of people away from their place or residence and work, as well as the service industries created to meet the needs that result movement. Modern change caused the redefinition of tourism. Tourism is a personal experience related to the chain of surrounding where service is being used. Tourism process and system has changed as the cost of modernization, which lead to digitalization. Digitalization is a complex concept that involves a lot of process that is built on top of one another and consists of different steps for almost each organization which affected business sector. Methodology. The study uses literature review as the research method, which can increase its accountability. Result and discussion. To support Indonesian digital tourism, Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy or Agency of Tourism and Creative Economy, Kemenparekraf, collaborate with Ministry of Communication and Information, Kemkominfo, to develop technology and information infrastructure. The same time, Kemenparekraf also implement accommodation strategy. With its potential, Indonesia tourism contribute the large GDP these past few years and become development program priority by the government. It also helps to reduce the number of unemployment. United Nations World Tourism Organization, tourism is nominated as one of the biggest and fastest economic sector that saw their agility through the weakened and uncertain economic condition. Development of technology, information, and communication has escalated very quickly. Indonesia Internet Service Provider Association survey show that throughout 2017, there are 143 million people that is connected with the internet. People tend to use internet for about 8 hours with 40% of the time used to buy goods or services online. This is very beneficial and can be used to promote tourism. Information through smartphone. Social media has a big role on promoting Indonesian tourism destination. Digitalization also affect other related to tourism. Generasi Pesona Indonesia (GENPI) as an effective strategy. Digital tourism is used to promote Indonesia tourism destination. GENPI is one of its form with millennial as their target. Optimization of Google My Business. Even though word of mouth strategy is effective, but adding information platform is a must in order to achieve optimal marketing. By using the internet, hopefully I can increase tourist interest. Optimizing social media and website content. Website is not only responsive but also have informative, rich and strong content. Besides the substance, how we give the information has to be interesting by doing storytelling. Partnership. Tourism cannot stand up alone. It needs other sector to collaborate with. Digital tourism movement. Digital tourism is the most effective and efficient strategy to promote tourism and creative economic product. Conclusion and recommendation. Technology usage can increase tourism interest because it is easier to access the information and much more available for millennials which seeks real testimony from other tourists. In the end, we need to adapt with this evolution and keep on growing. That is all we intend to say. We hope that this paper can contribute greatly as a scientific work in the practical order of government, also in other public policies. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lebak Unik bekerja dengan hati.